Hi guys, it's Van from Review My Life, coming to you with an honest review for one of the best room personalizing furnitures I've seen in a long time. Today, we will be reviewing the TV lift cabinets from tvliftcabinet.com. You can check out their website in the description below, so we can go through their website together, and you can even save $200 on their products too. Or you can, as always, finish listening to the video and then checking out their website. Either way, I'm just letting you know that the website link is in the description below. So the TV lift cabinet covers TVs from 36 inches up to 75 inches. It comes with a multitude of options from colors to finishes. It basically has everything you need. The cabinet is covered on all four sides. So kind of like playing a Sims game, you can place the cabinet wherever you want it and it would still look really good. So one of my biggest pros with the TV lift cabinet is from the sheer quality of the cabinet. I've been getting furniture made by a very close friend of mine for nearly 7 years now, and we both thought that there was nothing that he could build for less. Apparently, we were both wrong about that. The cabinet is hand painted and finished with solid kiln-dried hardwood, making it super sturdy. When we first got the cabinet, we were shocked at how heavy and solid the wood felt. So, me and my friend are sort of in the furniture crafting ordeal, and we were inspecting the cabinet from head to toe. We even found out that the wire management and the ventilation systems were spot on throughout the entire cabinet. And so, a little bit of tech talk here. The cabinet also has a power surge protection system set up for the TV itself and up to 2 more components. So that means you could hook up your speakers, your DVD player, or your cable box, and it would still work the same way. The center lift is so robust, it can lift 2 pieces of electronics with depths of 13.25 inch or less, with an additional room for 2 inches of wires. We didn't even think about the 2 inches for wiring space. So the TV lifts like a breeze at the push of a button, and even works with Alexa and Google Assistant when you download the app on Android or Apple. Okay, I hope I didn't bore you with the tech talk too much. I've had the cabinet for about 6 months now, and me and my partner just love it. We were super impressed by its quality, and we've moved and repositioned the cabinet more times than you can guess, but it works no matter how you orient the cabinet itself. So we started out with the usual, against the wall, across the bed, then to the foot of the bed, and ultimately ended up staying in the middle of the room, looking fabulous, I might add. And what's even better is the customer service of the company. When my dog decided to make the cabinet's remote a chew toy, not even a long-lasting chew toy, I contacted customer service and they couldn't be more helpful. They asked for the model year and the remote light color, and I sent them that and a few more pictures. So the customer service representative located the correct replacement right away and shipped it at the same day at no charge. He even asked to see a pic of the naughty dog who made it into a chew toy. The quality cannot be reproduced in the photos, honestly. So if you check out their website, the photos have the cabinets right there, but the quality itself when you first get the cabinet is by far years apart. So a really good quality TV lift cabinet, amazing customer service, and a reviewer that could relate to you through Sims. What more could you honestly ask for? I'm just kidding. But that really is my honest review of the TV lift cabinets from tvliftcabinet.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out their website over at tvliftcabinet.com. Comment down below if you've been looking for something like this, and we hope that we helped. This has been Van from Review My Life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!